Camera, lights, audio, action. Hi guys, hope you're having a very good time. I'm having an awesome time and I have some really good news for you. Actually, it's kind of good news to me, but then you are part of my life, so it's a good news to you also. So I'm back with yet another episode, and this time it's not much of a tutorial but more informative video about why lights are very important for your videos. And the good news is recently I finally bought a LED panel, LED light for myself, for my videos, to improve my videos, make them better, make them much more professional, So this light which I bought is GODOX LEDP 260C. And right now I'm actually using this light like right over here, and it's coming on my face. And if I have to show you what is the natural light right now, it would be something like this. So this is how my natural light currently is. There's a sort of a backlight which is coming from my computer screen, and that's about it. And now this light, trust me, this is the only light I am using right now to light up this video and to talk to you guys. So let's go a little behind and see how I unboxed this light. So in the package you get the main LED light. They also provide you with an adapter which you can connect behind to power on your light. So this light also works without the adapter. You just have to buy external batteries which are NP970 batteries, and you can slide them into your LED panel, and your light now is a portable light. That is the major reason why I bought this light, because this light is very portable. In the box you also get a detachable mount which you can put for your light stand. Mount also comes with this knob which you have to twist to turn the angle of the light. As you can see, you can put the light all the way down or all the way up and adjust it with the knob by tightening it or loosening it. Well, currently I don't have the NP970 battery, so I'm using this light with the adapter attached to the light. In the package you also get a remote control, so you can control your light remotely without you having to physically go near the light and control it. You can be at a distance from the light and control the intensity of the light, even the color temperature of the light, using your remote. Well, behind the panel you can see there is a on and off switch and the adapter pin. So you put in your adapter and you switch on the button and it powers on the light. Behind the light you also get a panel where you can put your NP970 batteries to make the light portable. There is an intensity controller behind which is in a knob shape which you have to turn clockwise, anti-clockwise and change the intensity of the light. To change the color temperature of the light, you have to press that same knob and change the color temperature as per what you desire. Well, I put this light for test and I didn't have any subject or any model. Well, I decided to use the souvenir what I have. Right now I'm shooting at f2 with 100 ISO. Well, in this test I will go up to 100% light intensity, that is the maximum you can go, and lower it down to 10%, that is the lowest you can go. Now you can see what it does to your image when you change the color temperature. And with the remote you can even turn off the lights, also turn them back on. So you see guys, this light is really amazing. Right now my intensity is set at 70%, and if I put it all the way up to 100%, this is what 100% intensity is. And if I have to lower it down up till 10%, this is what the result you get with 10% intensity. And now I'm back at normal intensity what I was shooting at. Let me just show you how the color temperature looks. This is how the image look when you set at a warm temperature. And this is how it looks with cold temperature. Right now this is the perfect light which I need to shoot this video, so I'm shooting at this settings. I'm pretty sure you'll have this question: why did I go in for this light? What was the specific reason why this light is important and why I bought this light? Number one, as you all know, because of the portability factor, and I wanted something which is as effective as this and at the same time is very easy to carry. And the second main reason why I bought this light is when I'm shooting people, especially when I'm doing a lot of pre-weddings and I want to get colors of the setting sun. At the same time, I want my subject to be well lit. That is the time when this light will come in very handy. because often what I used to do is, in order to get a very beautiful sunset, usually I used to shoot the couple in silhouette. Most of the time it works, but not always. You need that variation, you need your couple to be well lit, and you want that beautiful setting sun in the background. That is the time you can use this light. And since this light is very portable, you can take it to any location. It may be a garden, or it may be a beach, a park, anywhere. And the third reason is this YouTube videos. I really put in a lot of effort to make this video, make sure that the exposure is correct, make sure the light is perfect, make sure the audio is good. And a lot of times what used to happen is that when it came to setting up light, I used to really struggle, because I had 100-watt halogen with the umbrella, and it was difficult to control that, and it was a big setup. It used to take more time, whereas this is a much more easier setup, and it's faster, and it's much more effective than that. And the best part, you can control it with the remote. I just love to do this. Off, on. Trust me, it's like a new toy for me. So that's it, guys. If you want to know more about this light, I will link it down in the description. You can follow the link, and if you want to purchase this light, you can do so by following the link down. I intend on doing a lot of work with this light, and I will keep you updated about different kinds of work that I do with this light. I'll probably make a video how to use this light more effectively, and what are the kind of works that you can do with this light. So that's it, guys, for today. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and let me know what you feel about this video in the comments. Share it with your friends, and if you have not subscribed yet and you happen to stumble upon this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button for more such content. Thanks a lot for your time. Thanks a lot for stopping by and watching this video, and it really means a lot to me. And so that's it for now, guys. Bye, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. And yeah, you must be wondering what happened to my beard. I was actually trying to shape it and give some bulk over here, but then I screwed it up, so I had to trim it all off.